And I'm going to tell you this part, but don't tell anybody. This very part as I'm telling you. When you sign up on this platform, you get $25 free. They give you $25. The other day I was having a conversation with my friend, and then I told them how amazing would it be if someone built a platform for Nigerians, a platform that you can exchange your cryptocurrency direct to Naira without any hustle, without passing through this whole peer-to-peer stress. Because I brought up this conversation because I've had encounters trading my crypto from P2P with those traders, and it's been headache. It's been really draining sometimes. Sometimes there was a time I went to, this is a personal story here, but one time I went to a restaurant to eat, and then I was trying to trade, and this guy kept messing up. And I was there just looking at it. Just remain small and tell me make I go wash plate. Then as we were having this conversation, I decided to go online and then do my research if there's a platform like this, and boom, I came across this platform, and this platform really blew my mind. You're going to love it. Trust me. Just hear me out. You're going to definitely love this platform. So what this platform does is that it lets you convert your cryptocurrency to Naira, and then you can withdraw it via PayPal directly to your Paga and directly into your bank account. It's super easy and very straightforward, and it's super fast. This is one of the best things about it. It's super fast. They don't delay, unlike the guy that kept me waiting that I almost washed place in a restaurant. This one doesn't delay. The moment you initiate transaction, it goes straight into your PayPal. And you know PayPal works in Nigeria now. Yeah, I've made a video about it. If you have not watched that video, then click here. Click on this link here. You're going to go and watch that video. Just click on. I know the video will be somewhere on the screen. Just click it and go and watch on how to set up PayPal account here in Nigeria and link it with Paga. So now the idea is that your PayPal account is linked with your Paga. Now you can actually withdraw money directly, convert your crypto. First of all, convert your crypto and withdraw it onto your PayPal account. Then from there, you withdraw to your Paga and then into your local bank account. All of this will take less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes is so much. 2 minutes and you're done. You have your money in your account. You don't need to wash plates. You don't need to do anything for anyone or stress about anything. Literally one of the best platforms that I've actually seen. And that the idea is very simple and very straightforward. If you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make easy to follow tutorials, so please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. So you know what? Let us get this thing started. I'm going to walk you guys through step by step, by which you can actually get this thing. And I'm going to tell you this part, but don't tell anybody. This very part as I'm telling you. When you sign up on this platform, you get $25 free. They give you $25 for you to make use of this platform. It's super amazing. So that's what I was telling you. You know what? The link to this platform will be in the description below. Click on that link and register, and then follow the steps by which I'll be showing you in this video. Watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part. So if you skip and then you don't get your money, it's a problem for you. And so another sweet thing about this platform is that when you refer someone, you get 2% of their active transaction, whatever they generate. Right, which is super amazing. Imagine referring so many persons and then you get to make money from just the activities that they are performing. You know what? I don't need to talk too much. Let us get down to business. This was built for Nigeria, by Nigeria, for Nigerians. Let us get this started. So I'll be switching to my laptop and I'll be showing you guys on how to do this step by step. Quick one before you get started, I want you to understand something. When you're doing this, from what I know, this is that if you're doing this, if you're going to create accounts with this on this platform, make sure that you're using the same email address as the one as with your PayPal. That's it. You don't need to do much. That's all you need to do. So you know what? Like I don't need to talk too much. Let us get down to business and let me show you guys how this is done. First thing first we need to do is that we need to log into our PayPal account. Like I said, make sure your PayPal is linked to your Paga account before you do this. Always make sure your PayPal account is linked to your Paga before you do this. Very important. It's very important. As you can see, this is my Pay account. It's already linked to my Paga account. Right here, my balance is 0.00. All right, I drain my balance so that I will show you guys when the sign up bonus comes in. All right, so Next thing we need to go is that we need to come to this website. So this is the website that we're going to be making use of. This is the platform I was telling you about. Very amazing platform. Everything here is super amazing. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. I'm going to create the account and then show you guys how this works. All right, as you can see here, it's indicated here that $25 welcome bonus for every new user. No deposits, no hidden requirement, just one way of welcoming you to this amazing platform. All right, so you know what, let's get started. All right, so first thing first, come here and let's click on get started. All right, so here we're going to try to sign up to this platform. So I'm going to click here, then click on new users, then here you could be able to sign up. All right, so let's make use of my email address and then let us choose a password for us. All right, you can choose whatever password that's you feel it resonates with you more, whatever password that works better for you. All right, so you're going to click on accept terms and then you're going to click on sign up. All right, so when you sign up, this is when you sign up, this is the dashboard that you're going to meet. All right, here you have 0 transaction indicated, so nothing is here yet. I've not really done anything, so nothing is shown right here. All right, so let's say you want to make your exchanges. All right, let's just load this transaction. Let's say you want to make your exchanges. All right, so you're going to come here and click on exchange right here. All right, so everything here, they already provide you with some information here that are very, very vital, so you know what you're getting, you know what will be sent to you, and you know exactly what is going to go into your account. All right, so you see here's my PayPal email. So whatever transaction, if I have a deposit here, whatever transaction I have here right now, and then I want to exchange, it's going to send it directly to my account. And to be very honest with you, I think that rate is super amazing. All right, that rate is super amazing. So this is what you get. So when we sign up to get this welcome bonus package, like I told you earlier, guys, you're going to be given $25 as your welcome bonus. All right, so to get this, let's just go back to the public site here. Right here, you're going to see here new users bonus verification, $25. All you have to do is just to enter your email address right here. All right, you're going to enter your email address right here and click on request to get bonus. All right, so awesome, first time email detected. A bonus of $25 will be sent to your PayPal account within 24 hours. All right, but most of the time this bonus is sent in no time. Within minutes you're gonna get your welcome bonus. So we're just gonna wait a little while right here and we'll keep refreshing our PayPal balance, and within the short period of time we're going to get our welcome bonus right here in our PayPal balance. So we just have to wait a while, and that's going to come in no time. So the next thing here is that we are going to move to, I've moved from using my PC to my phone. So we have actually received our PayPal payment. Let's open it and confirm. Yeah, this is the bonus that we received from signing up on that platform that I showed you guys. You can see it's real, it's amazing. It's I don't know how to explain it, but here it is. All right, I want you guys to see how it is and see that it's real, and you can actually make this. Let's tap on this so that you're able to see. Let's tap on this so that you're able to see it. You can see my payments. You can see everything that came in. You can see the amount. You can see the fee. All right, you can see where it came in, the transaction, every detail right here. Everything you need is right here. All right. So now we need to. I will show you guys that you can withdraw this. So like I told you guys in the other video, you get to link your PayPal account with your Paga account. So when you do this, you will be able to withdraw money directly from your PayPal to your Paga account. As you can see here, it's actually showing my balance 0. But when you tap here on this account here, and then you switch to my PayPal, because my PayPal account is already linked to my Paga account, so the money reflects here. All right, my money reflects here. All right. So it's straight up. I can make use of it and from here I can actually withdraw my money. So you can see the withdraw this in here. So when you tap on withdraw, it'll tell you that's naira here. All right, so I can select the amount I want to withdraw, 25. All right, then I'm going to click on withdraw. All right, so you can see the this thing. You can see the exchange rate. You can see the exchange rate here, which in 1,277 naira per dollar, which is not really bad. To be honest. All right, so when you tap on withdraw right here, you'll be able to withdraw it directly into your Nigerian bank account. All right, so let's just follow up and actually do that. So you can see your funds is on its way into your account. So I've actually moved this money from my paper account into my Paga account. All right, so by seeing that, you can see tap here, right here, and let us switch back to our Paga account and then refresh and see. As you can see, the money is right into our Paga account right here. The money that we withdraw is here in our Paga account. So from here, you can withdraw it directly into your Nigerian bank account. So I mentioned earlier that you switch from there to you move from there to your Nigerian bank account, but sorry, you have to pass through the step of moving it from there into your Paga account before you'll be able to actually send it or withdraw it directly into your bank account. So with this method, I'll be able to withdraw this money directly from here to my Nigerian bank account. Very easy, very straightforward. As you can see, like I told you about this platform is super amazing. You can use it. So to our paper right here, we see that our money has been withdrawn. As you can see, Paga Remits Limited. As you can see, the money has been withdrawn to my Paga account. From there, I'll be able to withdraw it directly into my Nigerian bank account. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure that you click on that link in the description, the link to this description, and you should be able to make use of it to create this account. All right, make sure you use the link in the description to create this account. All right, so that's that. See you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching. I hope that was educative. I know you guys learned a lot. There's no way you tell me you didn't learn from this stuff. All right, because it blew my mind, and I'm sure it's going to blow your mind too when you try this stuff. So all I want you to do is that please just show small appreciation by liking this video. Click on that link in the description below to sign up and also subscribe to my channel. All right, beg you guys, subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. This was really amazing platform, like I mentioned earlier. So I'll stop here and allow you to go and test on this platform. See you guys in the next video.